Away we go for match number 43 here at Bonnie Lake. Lots of fuel making its way into each Alliance hub. 34 points of it over on red, and then here's some more stragglers that should get us to about 38, 40. And now drivers take control. Blue Alliance will get first dibs of their Alliance hub once we move into shift gameplay here in just a few seconds. Here goes Chain Links, 82-48 for blue underneath the trench. We'll see if they can lob any of this fuel up into the Alliance hub. Sushi Squad is on the other side of the field, the audience side of the field, bottom right of your screen if you're watching online. They'll scoop up, I don't know, let's call it 8 or so points, give or take, of fuel for the Blue Alliance. Chainlink's still not quite able to get anything going, and then here comes the defender, or the distractor of Jagbots from red. Shift change, and if you were sleeping, you are not anymore after that barrage of fuel coming at you from NRG and Revolution. Those are two of the spicier offensive bots we've seen so far this week, and particularly NRG. If you give them open airspace, they will put it to use, and we see that here in this offensive cycle. I don't know what the score was going into that shift, but it is 157 coming out of it, which gives them over a 100-point lead over the Blue Alliance. We'll see what the Blue Alliance's answer to that is. A slow but steady stream of fuel making its way into the hub over here for blue. Albeit we still don't see Chainlinks able to lob much fuel. Maybe they're having some sort of hardware problem here. Sushi Squad's doing what they can on the robot offensive front. And then you just have the structural load test over here by the Red Alliance. Just an entourage of fuel making its way airborne. Here goes another volley from NRG. That's the 948 machine. They just don't miss. 245 points on the board. It would take 360 points of fuel for that Red Alliance to achieve the second supercharged RP we've seen so far today. Not sure if they're quite going to be able to make it happen, but it's going to be very close. We've gotten close one other time. 15 seconds to find out here in match number 43. More fuel going airborne over here for red. Here comes NRG. They've got another full volley going at you. 335. You know what? Maybe I spoke too soon. They're getting real close here. 1 second left in the match. Last few pieces of fuel make their way through each Alliance hub. We'll tally up your final scores and get you some results here in just a moment. Match number 43 is complete with a new event high score of 391 points to the Blue Alliance's 88. In spite of that, it'll still be a 4 RP match, not a 5 RP match there for red, as they did not quite hit 360 points of just fuel scored in the hub.